A game created by Akiko Matsumoto's cousin. Developer Koichi Nakamura. First title by Chunsoft. The first Famicom title by ENIX, their debut release, Chunsoft, is named after Door's main character Chun-kun. Let's get started. Thin design, but early model tin plating, rusty and oxidized. IPA. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Not tin plated, but nickel plated. Wiring patterns peeling off. To prevent further peeling, apply zombie fluid. Rub it on. Goodbye. Welcome back. Looks good. Out of magic liquid. Let's refill. Cut short to fit the cap. Refill complete. Refill complete. Gas is intense. Rust prevention and lubrication. Delivering to the future.
Perfect body.